Hello students, welcome to my channel Law School 101. I am Abhishek Yadav, Law Center 2nd, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. Today I will start Family Law series. Let's discuss the case Surajmani Sitala Kunjur versus Durga Charan case. In this case, husband and wife profess Hinduism but belong to ST category. After some time, first marriage, he solemnized second marriage, even leaving his first wife. Wife files suit against her husband for bigamy, according to section 82 of BNS. इस केस में हस्बैंड जो है सेकंड मैरिज कर लेता है फर्स्ट वाइफ के होते हुए भी, तो वाइफ फाइल कर देती है सूट अगेंस्ट हर हस्बैंड फॉर बाइगेमी. Wife contention, she said she believed on Hinduism and professed, and her marriage solemnized Hindu rituals, so not allowed second marriage in her custom and traditions, and he commit bigamy. After then husband contention, he denied no have any this form of customs and no commit bigamy. तो इशू इस केस का ये है वेदर ही इज कन्विक्टेड फॉर बाइगेमी और नॉट. वेदर सेकंड इशू है वेदर फेथ इन हिंदुइज्म दे आर ट्रीटेड एज हिंदू if he is especially belong to ST category. Let's discuss two judgment. In this case, court observed so many important points such as section 2 subsection 2 of HMA, notwithstanding any contained in the subsection first of nothing contained in this act shall apply to manner of any scheduled tribes within the meaning of clause 25 of article 366 of constitution unless the central government by notification in the official gazette otherwise direct. It means इसका मतलब यह है कि जो भी सबसेक्शन फर्स्ट में कंसिडर हो रहे हैं हिंदू, तो वो उन पे उनके अलावा उनको छोड़ के जो भी ट्राइब्स के हैं वो कंसिडर नहीं होंगे हिंदू जब तक आर्टिकल 366 सब क्लॉज 25 के अकॉर्डिंग अमेंड करके गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल गजट पे ये ना निकाल दे कि ये वाली कम्युनिटी हिंदू में बिलोंग करेगी, जब तक वो हिंदू कैटेगरी में फॉल नहीं करेगी. इस केस का ये आता है कि absence of sufficient evidence regarding her custom, how many year old followed by her family and them. Then in this case, two issues are not fulfilled. His evidence convict for bigamy. He is acquitted by the court. No convict bigamy and no customs in this regard of second marriage not allowed or allowed.